In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal conversion report in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear, reliable snapshot of how effectively your deals are moving toward a win, so you can spot bottlenecks and celebrate what's working. Start by heading to Insights on the left bar. This is Pipedrive's analytics home, where all your reports and dashboards live. Opening Insights gets you into the space designed for tracking performance without digging through individual deals. Next, click Create at the top left and choose Report. This opens a fresh canvas so you can define exactly what you want to measure. You're setting up a report from scratch, which gives you full control over scope and clarity. When the report builder opens, select Deal as the entity. Deals are the records you're trying to convert, so this choice ensures your analysis is tied to actual opportunities in your pipeline. Then, select Conversion as the report type. A conversion report focuses on the percentage of deals that progress, typically from created to won, or across key stages, depending on how your account is configured. It's the most direct way to understand efficiency, not just volume. Now, add your filters. Think of filters as the guardrails that keep your report focused. You might filter by time period, such as this month or last quarter, by pipeline if you manage multiple, or by deal owner to see individual or team performance. You can also filter by source or label if you track lead origins. Start broad and narrow down as needed. The goal is to compare like with like so your conversion rate tells a clean story. With the scope defined, select your graphs measure. For a conversion report, conversion rate is usually the best primary measure because it normalizes performance regardless of deal count. If you want extra context, you can also look at the number of deals involved so you understand whether a high rate comes from meaningful volume. Choose the measure that answers your most important question first, so the chart is instantly useful. When everything looks right, click Save at the top right. Give the report a clear, descriptive name and a brief note so anyone revisiting it knows exactly what they're seeing. Saving locks in your settings and makes the report easy to access in the future. That's all. You've created a focused deal conversion report in Pipedrive that highlights efficiency, clarifies trends, and helps you take action with confidence.